You may know what a ukulele sounds like. But do you know what a banjolele sounds like? We're gonna take a little solo, but that's all right. We'll just cut it out right there. So, how would you describe this sound?
I don't even know right now. I like the twanginess of it. It's interesting because it's changing everything. I'm trying to play things that I already know of, and it's just, man, it sounds very similar, but then it just sounds like a lot of fun too. I dig it.
I mean, if you want a banjo sound, which is a very unique sound anyways, but now with a shorter neck and the ukulele tuning.
I like the banjos, and we have the banjo in the back, and I tried it, but I'm just too confused. It's not familiar. It sounds, when I do the chords that I want to do, I'm so confused. But this, it's a little familiar. It's just familiar enough to still be doable for me.
Well, you can still it's your normal ukulele tuning.
Yeah.
G, C, E, A. Now I have the low G. That has the high G. And it has the regular, those probably the
Aquila strings,
yeah,
yep.
the Nile get strings, as opposed to steel strings that you might see on a regular banjo. So sound-wise, just give me a C chord.
Yeah, it's still, but it's just enough.
Yeah, I mean, this is a spruce, so it's got a lot of pop to it, but that sound, I mean, that's a super unique sound. You're only going to get it in something like that.
I really like it.
Now, what's cool about the Deering here is that this is a really big head here. We have some other banjoleles that we carry here at the store, but the heads are a lot smaller.
Mm-hmm.
So with that big head, it looks funny because the neck looks so short.
Yeah, it does.
On that.
But it's really comfortable. It's really comfortable still. And I agree. We do have some other ones, and some other ones have come in and out of the shop since I've been here. But man, this is so loud too.
Yeah. Well, now it's got the open back. Show the back. Yeah, so that's an open back one versus when they have the closed back one or two. Really, kind of a simple instrument.
Yeah, I agree.
All right, let's take that jam out.
Let's jam it.
All right, do it.
I'm gonna mess up this chord.
You're gonna start it. You got it.
Ooh, that was nice.
All right, nice ending for us. So, the Deering Banjolele, this happens to be our ukelikethepros tenor size. TheoryCarterMusicStore.com.
Yeah, give them a try.